need to do that sideways, my bad.
Are you making a adventure? Are we making a Devin and Trisha's adventure video?
I was thinking about it, but it might just be crazy hot and windy tomorrow, and then it'll be like a Devin and Trisha disaster video.
Well, it's nice right now.
Here we are at Adams-McGill Reservoir. We're gonna put in. All right, we're all suited up here. I got hooked up by my friends with the killer bass bait here, and we're gonna head out. It's gonna be worth it.
Have a great day, man. Be safe.
Hey, take it easy.
See us, you need something taller.
I will.
Yeah, you can sit there.
Almost there. Oh yeah, I got one already. Yeah, it's a fishing video. We got the fly rod out too. We got a purple parachute on there. Those are supposed to work good here. Someone caught like a 20-inch rainbow here a couple weeks ago. I read it on the internet. But also I need to just flip around and bass fish. Dragonfly. Alright, I gotta catch a fish now, dragonfly. Thank you. So there's the porta potty where the car's at back there. I'm basically just gonna go in a circle around this first cove. Oh. And another. Michael Jackson, Stevie Wonder. Later. Well, I think I'm getting closer. The porta potty at the parking lot seems to be getting closer. The wind started to kick up. And it can get really windy out here, and I'm just in a float tube with no motor, so I mean, minus my legs. And my motor was starting to run out, so I thought I should probably go back. Also, I told the wife I'd only be fishing for 2 hours, and it's already past that. She's probably not surprised, so that's good. It is gorgeous out here, though, but I think I want a kayak and a trolling motor. Oh. There we go. Oh yeah. Whew. Ooh. I literally just cast out. Cast out, hit it. Man, I wish I was in some of these deeper coves. I mean, that's pretty solid though. Whew. I did it, I'm back at the boat ramp. Oh, my legs are cramping really hard. You shouldn't forget your water when you go into the lake. Or maybe take a Gatorade. Oh! I'm so stoked they have this bench you can put your stuff on. It's a nice little spot.